Hey, what's up guys? It is me, Ashley. Today I am giving you guys an inspired makeup look inspired by the greatest movie ever, The Greatest Showman. I love that movie so much. It is the greatest movie ever. Just the message behind it and the soundtrack and the entire freaking cast. So good, so spectacular, and I wanted to do something to kind of tribute that movie, just to, because how amazing it is. So me and my best friend Lexi both put our input in together, and she helped me design this incredible makeup look, inspired by the circus and just inspired to dare to be different with a crazy makeup look like this, and just, it's good to be different. And so we both created this look, and I absolutely love it. And without further ado, let's just get started into this tutorial. So I already went ahead and put foundation on because y'all don't really need to see me put foundation on for this makeup look. You can do whatever, you can use whatever foundation you want to use. If you want to look pale, use a pale foundation. If you don't, use your natural foundation. It is fine. My skin is naturally pale, so I just went ahead and used my own. So yeah, so the eyeshadow primer that I am using is from Wet n Wild, and all you're gonna do is just prime those eyelids to make it perfect, so when you put the color on your eyelids, everything's gonna be fine. And I'll also make sure to leave every single makeup product that I use in the description, so you guys will be able to find it if you want it. But you already bought a ticket and there's no turning back now. And it's all fun and games. Guys, so we're going to be taking mixing He Devil and Enfuego from the Naked Heated palette, and you're just going to apply that all over your lid. Next, I am just going to be taking a blending brush just to blend the outside of the eyeshadow, just to blend it more. Next, guys, we will be taking the shade Rowdy from the Subculture palette, and we're just going to be taking that and blending it into your crease and just blending upward. Alright, next, guys, we're going to be taking the color Ashes from the Naked Heated palette, and we're just going to be applying that into your crease, but you also want to make sure that once you just put it into your crease, you're going to take a blending brush and you're going to blend upwards in the crease to blend more into the purple. Alright guys, so now instead of finishing the eyeshadow first, you're just going to work on your eyebrow. So I am taking some light blue eyeshadow, and I am just taking that and putting it from the first half of my eyebrow, and then later on I'm going to be blending green into it in the middle of my eyebrow, and then the rest of my eyebrow, the arch and the point, is going to be yellow. I am matching my own hair color, so if you want to match your hair color, if you have like purple hair or something, go ahead and do that. But if you don't have a natural hair color and you have a natural hair color, if you want to use your natural hair color eyebrow color, go ahead, do whatever your little heart desires. Next, I am taking the shades Dirty Talk and Scorched from the Naked Heated palette, and just applying that all over the lid just to give the lid a little bit of shimmer. Alright, next guys, we're going to be taking just cream eyeliner for now, just to draw out the wing. But what you're going to do is you're just going to literally draw out your wing to almost touching your eyebrow, because it's going to be that extra and that extreme. Alright, and then for the eyeliner, you're going to be taking from the inner corner of your eye. You're going to draw it upwards towards the first half of your lashes, and then you're also going to draw down further than your inner corner and give it that point. Next guys, we're going to be drawing an upside down triangle onto your bottom lashes. You're going to be starting kind of a little where the starting point of your bottom lashes are, and just going towards like halfway over the middle of your eye. I used a cream eyeliner first before I went into the liquid, just as like a rough drawn kind of sketch type of thing for this, just to make sure that it's how I want it to be. So also, it doesn't have to be perfect, guys. It's just gonna be like the rough drawn sketch, as I said. So you don't need to make it super perfect, but get it to where you do want the point to be. Now we will be taking the liquid eyeliner and outlining / filling in your eyeliner on top of your lid, so your wing and the inner corner and the upside down triangle. I decided to not fully take the eyeliner all over the lid. I decided to stop where the wing stopped and then just stop where the inner corner is. I just decided that it looked cooler without a full eyeliner effect, so next, guys, we're going to be drawing the little circles underneath your triangle. There are going to be 2 circles, and the first circle is going to be a little bigger, and then the second circle is going to be a weeny tiny little bit of a circle. Alright, next steps is going to be curling eyelashes, putting mascara on, and then putting the falsies on. This makeup look is not going to be complete if we don't add falsies, so we got to do the beginning steps, curling the young eyelashes, and then just putting mascara over your own eyelashes to make it easily blend into the falsies, and then put the falsies on as usual. Alright, so now you're just going to repeat the same eyeshadow process and the eyeliner and all that such on to this eye. Alright guys, so you can finish the eye if you want. I did it before I finished the eye. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be taking a white eyeliner pencil and I'm going to be outlining where the rainbow is going to be around my eye. Taking the different eyeliner colors that I'm going to be using and just kind of outlining the little tips first before I really start filling everything in. So the colors you are going to need are yellow, green, light blue, dark blue, pink, and purple. Also, guys, don't even like bother about my nose piercing. I know it looks whack. I am getting rid of a keloid, as I've been saying. It is a lot smaller now than it was for this tutorial. So just ignore the keloid, as just don't let it bother you guys. Just saying. Alright guys, so now we're going to be starting to kind of fill in / color in the entire rainbow makeup kind of look. So I am taking you want to kind of, for this blue and for the second blue that I'm going to be using, you want to stop once you fill up the little kind of circle part or that little outline. Once you fill that in, you're going to stop there, but you also want to make sure you blend the color out to make it kind of easily blend with all the other colors that you're going to be doing. And you're just going to kind of follow what I'm doing right here. It's kind of hard for me to explain, but all you're going to do is just fill it in with the colors, blend it, and then bam.
You know I want you. It's not a secret I try to hide. I know you want me, so don't keep saying our hands are tied. You claim it's not in the cards. Fate is pulling you miles away and out of reach from me. But you're here in my heart, so who can stop me if I decide that you're my destiny? What if we rewrite the stars? Say you were made to be mine. Nothing could keep us apart. You'd be the one I was meant to find. It's up to you, and it's up to me. No one can say.
Alright guys, now we're going to be glittering the eyebrow that is surrounding the rainbow. So I am be taking a light blue glitter, a green glitter, and a yellow glitter, just as the same colors of my eyebrow. And I'm just going to be applying it over only that one eyebrow. Now for the lips. So we're going to be drawing a big kind of smiley face as clowns do. So I am just taking a red pencil eyeliner and outlining my lip line, but kind of going a little bit bigger towards the outer parts to where the smiley is going to be. And then, yeah, so basically just follow my lead. So I already started half of the outline, but for the nose little tip color end, you're just going to be taking the same pink eyeliner pencil that you used for the pink of the rainbow color, and you're just going to be applying that all over to your nose. Correction, all over on the tip of your nose. Bam, there you go. Alright guys, that is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this little makeup look. If you guys did, please give this video a big thumbs up. And don't forget to push the subscribe button for my videos and hit that little bell to get post notifications on. And also comment down below if you guys have seen The Greatest Showman and how much do you love it. Like, I love it so much. And also, guys, since Lexi did help me inspire this look, and a little picture that I'll insert here of the actual drawing that she did. Lexi is such a fantastic artist, and you know, she deserves to be shout out, and she's my best friend, and so what better way not to, you know. So guys, I will put her Instagram right here, or her Instagram also down below, so you guys can make sure you go check out her art page and just enjoy all of its glory that it deserves. And yeah, so talk to you guys later. Bye.